Starting in 2015-16, SUSD will be using Google Resource Calendars for teachers to be able to reserve computer labs and carts and other device carts. In order to reserve a resource calendar, you simply go to your Google Apps when you're logged into your @susdgapps.org account and click on Calendars from the Apps Launcher. Once you're in your calendar, you simply need to click Create in order to select a resource calendar. So when you click Create, the first thing you want to do is title the event with your last name. As soon as you've done that, you want to make sure that the calendar that is selected is the one that is your name, not any other calendars that you have created if you've created any. So I have a couple other ones here. You want to make sure it's your default calendar that has your name on it. So these two settings are very important. Now the next setting you need to do is if you have a set time and date that you intend to use the lab, then you want to select those at this point. So very important to do the dates next. So if I want to select to do the 17th, and I'm going to do first period through third period. So I'll start at 7:30 to give me a little time to prep in there. And then we should be done around 10:30 with third period. So I'm keeping that on just August 17th. Now, in order to select a room, now that I've specified my date and time, I can click right over here on Rooms, etc. And it will drop down the list of labs and carts that are available to me. So I can select to add Coronado C104. Notice it shows up over here under Where. And that way I know that it's available because I put in my time and date first. I have added it and I've only got one here that says remove, so I know I've only added one resource. And once that's done, all I need to do is save it. This will take me back to my calendar, and now I can see that on the 17th at 7:30, I have reserved that lab. I can click on that at any time and I can edit it. It lets me know that I am reserved in the right lab, and my event is labeled Anderson because that lets the administrator of the calendar know who has reserved the room at that time. Okay, so that is all it takes, and it is easy to create a reservation for any resource, lab, cart, or other device cart, or even if you have a basket of devices, whatever you need to check out from your school. If you have any questions, you can give me a shout at banderson@susd.org. This is Vicki. Thanks.